So we just left the last gas station, and my car is making a really not nice noise, and I have no idea what it is.
Oh, dude, you can
feel it, bro. That's not good. So 3 years ago, my 4Runner left me stranded in Missouri when one of the rear wheel bearings exploded on us when we were trying to get back to Colorado. And in that video, I said that I would never buy another Toyota product. This video is going to be showing you guys my new vehicle, and it's domestic, it's not a Toyota. And here it is right here. It's a 2024 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4X. I'm sure a lot of you guys are wondering why I wanted to go with a GMC Sierra, and the main reason is just because I really like how it looks. Like, take a look at this front end right here. It's got the nice aggressive look with the solid steel off-road bumper, and actually behind this license plate mount there is a mount for a winch, just straight from the factory, so I think that's pretty cool. This right here, I wanted a vehicle with a V8. I didn't want another V6 or anything hybrid or turboed or anything like that, so this has it. It's got a 6.2 liter V8. This thing even has speakers in the tailgate. Like, check that out. How often do you see speakers in the tailgate of a vehicle? So the first thing you're gonna notice about the interior of this thing is, what is this? Why is this the shifter for this big old truck? To put it in reverse, you do this, and to put it in drive, you do this, and to put it in park, you push a button. I don't know about you guys, but when I'm shifting a vehicle into park, I wanna actually feel it. I wanna do something like this. I don't want to just push a button to put my vehicle into park. However, what I will say is I would prefer this stupid shifter over the dial shifter that they're putting in Rams now. Other than the stupid shifter, the interior of this thing is actually really, really nice. I like this big old screen here. It's got wireless CarPlay, which is awesome. And the HVAC controls are actual buttons and dials. They're not just on the screen like is also common, unfortunately, in newer vehicles. Something I wasn't sure how I felt about when I first bought this vehicle was the fact that the rear view mirror is a screen. However, after driving this thing for the last month, I actually came to really, really like the fact that the rear view mirror is a screen, because nothing in the back seat ever gets in the way of seeing what's behind the truck. And the other amenities that this thing has is just awesome. It's got a heated steering wheel, cooled and heated seats, and also even massage seats, which is something I didn't even know I needed until I had them. It's very, very nice. It's also got like every possible camera view imaginable. You've got the front, the rear, top down front, front sides, back sides, and even a view looking right at the hitch, which is nice. And then if you go over into this spot, you got one that looks right into the bed. So I'm sure by now you guys have noticed the fact that this vehicle is painted black. And I did that on purpose. I did want a black vehicle. I think they look great when they're clean. However, it is kind of an issue. Let me explain why. A black truck because black looks very nice when it's clean. However, the issue is that it's very hard to keep it looking clean, and you can't exactly take a black vehicle through a soft touch car wash or use the foam brush at a car wash like this without the fear of scratching it. because as I'm sure you guys all know, black paint shows scratches very easily. So there you go, guys. That is going to be it for this quick first look at the first and probably only brand new vehicle that I will ever buy in my life. We will, of course, be doing more videos on this thing in the future, but I want some more time with it to figure everything out, what it does, how it all works, before we shoot those videos. I know it's kind of sad to see the 4Runner go, but I think it lived a pretty good life, and you know, it's just time to move on to something new. So there you go, guys. That is going to be it. Hope you enjoyed it, and as always, thank you for watching. You guys really thought I sold the 4Runner again?